In order to start making money from Fiverr, you need to optimize your gigs in two different ways. Optimization number one is optimization for search engines. So when customers like me go on Fiverr and search with the keyword they're looking for, let's say in front of me, thumbnail, I'm looking for thumbnail for my videos, and I searched and I found this gig is looking awesome. And when I clicked on it, I found 5-star rating, 506 reviews, and they look super awesome. The prices are good. And when I read through, I found, oh yes, I'm looking for all this. Yeah, so let's buy it. So there are two types of optimizations. Optimization number one is for the search engine, and optimization number two is for conversion. The copy, the text is written in a way that I feel like it is for me. I want to buy it, and I bought it. So the first one, optimization for search, is easy. You're supposed to use the keywords that other Fiverr gigs are using and what people are searching for. But optimization for conversion is the job of a copywriter, and people charge thousands of dollars for copywriting. But here is the good news. AI or artificial intelligence software solved that problem forever. And I'm going to show you in this video how I use one of my favorite AI softwares, Copyblocks, and I will show you live how we write copies, literally any kind of copies, including copies for our Fiverr gigs, and we get high conversion and high sales and make a lot of money. Anytime you think you need Copyblocks, the link is in the description. By the way, let's jump right in. And in case you like this video, of course you should, come on. We put a lot of effort on it. Hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will be the first one to get notified. Now I'm going to create a Fiverr gig using my favorite software, Copyblocks. So first the project name. Now the software is asking me questions. So what is the name of your product? The offer is Fiverr gig about. I'll copy this headline. I'll paste it here. Enter. So I'm going to paste it again. And then I will take the most important sentences. So one is unlimited revision. Okay, what just happened? Let's make it professional, filtered, and optimized. YouTube video creators, YouTubers. Let's make it English and write my copy. The primary general ad copy looks really cool. The first one, look at this. Want to make your YouTube videos go viral? I will design a catchy thumbnail for you in 24 hours. Send me a message on Fiverr for a code. Want to rank higher on YouTube search? I will design catchy YouTube thumbnail in 24 hours. Hey guys, I'm experienced graphic designer and I'm offering top quality YouTube thumbnail design for only $5. Send me a link of the YouTube video and the thumbnail idea, and I will design it for you within 24 hours. Honestly, this looks awesome. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit the answer a little bit, and I will add this thing. Unlimited revisions, money back guarantee is definitely a good thing. So it's a catchy YouTube thumbnail, cool looking thumbnail, cool looking. This looks good now. I will add one more thing. Fast response time. I think this is good enough. The software is rewriting the copy. Okay, I want to edit Fiverr gig. It was GIF, by the way. My mistake. Even the first one is good. Fiverr gig. What if you could create a lead funnel in minutes that goes viral without any paid ads? Wow. What if you could create a video in minutes? Haha. Okay. Super affordable gig for YouTube thumbnail design. I will design catchy YouTube thumbnail in 24 hours, and unlimited revisions and fast response time and money back guarantee and affordable gig. Wow. Cool. Now let's go to headline and create a headline, please, for me. Generate a copy. Now I'm gonna get some headline ideas. Cool. Now we have headline ready. Now we need some of these copies, right? So it talks about what most of the top YouTubers do. Then it says the benefits of YouTube thumbnails or catchy YouTube thumbnail, and another extra benefits in the form of bullet points and what you need to get started. They made it so easy that anybody will love it. Now the basic, standard, and premium are interesting. Basic, one creative high quality thumbnail with unlimited revisions. The standard is same, one creative thumbnail but fast delivery 3 to 8 hours plus unlimited revisions plus source file. The premium, design 2 custom thumbnail with source file, fast delivery, unlimited creation. So Wow. Basically, the person is very smart. He is not doing extra work. He's working one time, but adding value without extra work. Something interesting to learn from. Something really interesting to learn. Now, I have some space still left from 200 characters, so I would like to add something extra, like get more clicks, scroll stopping thumbnails, get more clicks like top YouTuber. I think that makes more sense now. And let's add some pain agitation solution type copy. Click generate copy and see what we get. The copy written here is really interesting and I love all of them. See the first one, the pain. You want to rank higher in YouTube search, but you don't have the skills, time or budget to design a good thumbnail. Agitate. The best and only solution is to buy a gig from Fiverr and get a professional YouTube thumbnail design. Solution. There is no other way to rank higher and get more YouTube views and subscribers without great thumbnail. Sign up now and get a professional YouTube thumbnail design for your video. This is awesome. The second one is cool. I want to rank well in YouTube search result, but I'm not good in designing YouTube thumbnail. I need to rank well in the YouTube search results to get more clicks, but I don't know how. Solution, I will design catchy YouTube thumbnail in 24 hours. Cool. In here, you just need to change you want to instead of I. The second in agitate also, you need to rank well into search case. Instead of I, you should write you. Third one is also good. YouTube thumbnail is important to get more video views. You want more video views, you need to get the most out of YouTube channel. Thumbnail. Solution, Fiverr has the solution for you and then you can write the rest of it. Maybe you can combine this one and this one, or maybe this one's solution and this one pain and agitation. Cool. Let's quickly look at AIDA. AIDA. Attention, interest, desire, and action. Let's generate. I loved all of them just looking at the attention. Look, there are 3 different types of attention here. The number 1, do you want to have a professional thumbnail for YouTube videos? These are directly to the people who are looking to get professional thumbnail. They are ready to get professional thumbnail. And the second category of people who they are, do you want to stand out from the crowd? And the third category is again different. Do you want more YouTube views, subscribers, and likes? Super cool, right? Now here's what I would do. I would copy these first, Ctrl C, and paste it here, Ctrl Shift V. In this case, the interest seems a little off because the attention says, do you want more YouTube views? In the interest, you should mention that you need a professional thumbnail to stand out from the crowd. So basically, I'm combining all these 3. I'll just write here, you need professional thumbnail for your videos to stand out from the crowd. And then interest would be, you can get them for cheap. My Fiverr gig will design a catchy YouTube thumbnail in 24 hours for only $5. And now I'll create desire. You can also get unlimited revisions, fast response time, money back guarantee, scroll stopping thumbnails, and get more clicks like top YouTube stars. This is super awesome. Now let's try some feature to benefit. Let's see what we can get. We can get something good, it's good. If no, no problem. Well, to be honest, nothing new has been generated. Maybe I need to add some more inputs for this. Well, I don't need them, so I will leave them as is. Okay, as an email marketer, I always look for emails. So cold email, all right, I want to see what happens. It's free, why not just add a click? Haha, I love all of them. Just pause this video if you want to read any of this. These are awesome to start with. Even if you don't directly send as is, this can be a great start. Now let's try some subject lines. Ooh, email summary, 36 characters more? No, I don't want to do that now. Oh, video. I need some video topics. Okay, I need to add some video description and keyword to rank for. Let's do this later. Oh, how about some blog post? Oh, yeah, let's try some. Cool. 5 tips for YouTubers to gain more views, subscribers, and sales. And yes, we will highlight the thumbnail and promote our thumbnail gig. Let's talk about title of the articles. Super cool. How to create a killer YouTube thumbnail for free. Woo! Fiverr gig. How to get a catchy YouTube thumbnail in 24 hours. YouTube thumbnail design in 24 hours. Cool, cool, cool. How about listicles titles? In case you don't know, listicles go to BuzzFeed's 19 landlords who belong in the Landlord Hall of Shame and 9 who are actually surprisingly good. 36 things you will want, 43 random things, 21 celebrities These are called listicles. Now, to be honest, these two are not the best for listicles, but the first one is. If we click generate copy, it generated more, but looks like the software likes 5 more than any other numbers. But it's not bad, because you see, the first one says 5 ways to increase engagement. The second one, 5 tips for using YouTube thumbnails. Third one, 5 steps to getting more views on YouTube channel. So you can replace this 5 with any number you want, but it gives you 3 or even more different ideas, which is super cool. Now let's try some blog post intros. Oh no, I have to add something more here. I don't want to go to that path now. No. I don't want to write anything. What I actually needed, I got it. General ad copy. This is what I needed. I needed ADA based copy. If I want more, I can simply click regenerate copy and get more. Let's try. Ooh, I got more copies written. Super cool. So you understand, I have a copywriter inside my computer and I can access it from anywhere because it's cloud based. Well, you liked this video, right? If you did, please hit the like button, as this way you tell YouTube this video is good, and YouTube will show this to a lot more people. A lot more people will get helped just like you. And yeah, that's what we want from you. Oh, by the way, in case you like copy blocks, go ahead, click in the link in the description and get your access right now. We use it, we love it, and you see, it works perfectly. Go get it. When we upload the next video, and the next video will be awesome, we'll make a lot of money from it. So go like it. Yeah, let's do this.